Hi, I'm Dr. Regina Trevino, and in this video we're going to talk about present value. Let's start with a definition. Present value is the current value of a future cash flow given a specific interest rate. So suppose I have a savings account that pays 4% per year and I want to have $100 a year from now. How much money should I invest today? The answer is given precisely by the present value. Let's look at the formula. We're going to take a principal, $100 in our example, and multiply it times a term called discount factor. The name comes from the fact that the process of bringing future dollars to today's dollars is called discounting. The components are the interest rate, also called discount rate for that reason, and the number of periods that we're considering. Let's plug into our formula. We have a principal of $100 and we multiply it times 1 over 1 plus the interest rate of 4%, and the exponent is 1 because we're just bringing back one period. The answer is 96.15, which means if I want to have $100 in a year, I need to deposit $96.15 in my savings account that pays 4% per year. Let's look at an additional example. How much money should you invest today at a rate of 3% if you want $400 in 2 years? So we want $400 in 2 years. In our timeline, we write that down. How much money should I invest today? The interest rate is 3%, so we're going to plug all the numbers into our present value formula, which is given by 400 times 1 over 1 plus the interest rate. And the exponent now is 2. We're bringing back 2 periods. And the answer is $377 with 4 cents. That's how much money I need to deposit today if I want $400 in 2 years at a rate of 3%. Now, what happens if the interest rate is 5% instead? Let's look at the present value formula with that higher interest rate. That's the only thing that changes. So in my denominator, I have 1 plus the interest rate, same exponent, and the present value is now $362 with 81 cents. So notice that at the higher interest rate, I need to deposit less to end up with the same $400 in the future. In other words, there's an inverse relationship between the interest rate and the present value. At higher interest rates, say at 5%, future dollars are cheaper. You need to deposit less to end up with the same amount. And there you have it. That's present value. I hope you found this useful. For more, please look in my book, Chapter 4, Section 4.1. Thank you.